174 species in genus Stipa. Stipa, a love letter to feathergrass. My name is Ferb Vu, and I have a confession to make. I'm utterly captivated by Stipa. It's a genus of grasses belong to the Poaceae family. Yes, but not just any grasses. These are the feather grasses, the needle grasses, the spear grasses, names that evoke images of delicate beauty and quiet strength. And that's precisely what they are. I first encountered Stipa years ago, a fleeting glimpse of shimmering inflorescences dancing in the wind. It was like stumbling upon a hidden treasure, a secret world of subtle elegance. I was hooked. Since then, I've dedicated myself to learning everything I can about these remarkable plants. The allure of Stipa. What is it about Stipa that so enthralls me? It's the way they capture the essence of the wild, the untamed spirit of the grasslands. Their slender leaves, often a vibrant green, form dense, flowing mounds that whisper with the slightest breeze. And then there are the flowering stalks, rising high above the foliage, adorned with feathery awns that shimmer and sway like liquid silver. But Stipa is more than just a pretty face. These grasses are hardy survivors, thriving in harsh environments where other plants struggle. They anchor the soil, preventing erosion, and provide shelter and sustenance for wildlife. They are a testament to the resilience and beauty of the natural world. A diverse family. The genus Stipa is incredibly diverse, boasting over 170 species scattered across the globe. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just ornamental. While Stipa is often used for ornamental purposes, its significance goes far beyond aesthetics. Historically, these grasses have played vital roles in various cultures. Some species were used for weaving baskets and mats, while others were employed in traditional medicine. Even today, Stipa continues to be an important source of fodder for livestock in certain regions. The future of Stipa. As the world faces increasing environmental challenges, the importance of plants like Stipa becomes even more apparent. Their ability to thrive in arid conditions and prevent soil erosion makes them valuable allies in the fight against desertification. Moreover, their role in supporting biodiversity and providing habitat for wildlife cannot be overstated. I believe that Stipa has a bright future. As more people discover the beauty and resilience of these grasses, their popularity will continue to grow. And as we learn more about their ecological importance, we can harness their potential to restore and protect our planet. For me, Stipa represents hope. It is a symbol of nature's enduring strength and beauty, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way to flourish. I will continue to admire and study these remarkable grasses, and I hope that my passion for Stipa will inspire others to appreciate the wonders of the natural world.